my room. You can go find him if you want.
Down low doesn't like me, but I can't get back up.
Ben!
Oh, my legs hurt from last night. What'd you do last night? Went to the Spike with Katie and we danced. And then I made out with Anthony like this. Oh shit! Ready to go. And he's got really bony hands. I bet. I love it. Crazy people, man. I can dance on the floor.
No! You can hump on the floor.
Conversation with you right now. Allie was wasted. She just drove from my house to her boyfriend's house. She's gonna hook up? What? She gonna hook up? No, I don't think so. He has a little boy. How's Butters? We were partying with him last night. Drunk? She was all up on me and I kept on walking away from him. I kept on pushing him away and walking away. I was drunk. Allie and him were the only two that were dancing and they were humiliating. So you wanna know something funny?
Does it involve you having sex with my cousin?
No, but he goes to school like 2 hours away from me. He's like, so, are you like from Havre? And I was like, yeah. And he goes, I've never seen you. So I'm like, okay. Where are they from?
Bozeman.
Oh, yes, I thought.
They were born here in Havre, but eventually they moved to Bozeman because that's where their dad got a job.
And then he asked me where I went to school, and I was like, in Mitchell, South Dakota, and he's like, no way. How weird. I think.
Yeah, when you went away to the bathroom.
Yeah,
How old is she? And then Mom was just like, how about Katie? She said, oh my God, I want to do her. I was like, oh my God, Pat.
That's terrible.
Pat was wasted even then.
I should send him a text message and be like, so I'm the girl you wanted to see last night. You got his number? No. I was like, you hooker. I'm sure Katie has it.
I don't have my cousin's numbers.
I'm sure if we really tried hard enough, we could get him. Go this way.
I know they are.
Dude, text JJ. Or fucking.
I don't want it. I would never text him. I wouldn't be able to. I'll Facebook find him. I wonder if he has Facebook. Do you have him on Facebook?
Yeah. I do.
Well,
He's got some pictures of him shirtless swimming.
that's how I am going. She's a couple hours? What's it, a couple hours?
We've been drinking for a couple hours.
Take it, we're not going to